Well, the petition has been filed by one of the corporators or person who contested for the elections and lost, along with two other gentlemen. It is their case that the election has to be set aside because the secrecy of ballot was not maintained in connection with the ballot papers that were given. So they are saying that the entire election is null and void, and the elections of all the corporators has to be set aside.
And what happened today, sir?
Today, since all the corporators were not served, the court said that the applicant or the petitioners should take steps to serve them, and they were insisting on an interim order saying that the ballot papers should not be destroyed because that's what is their main evidence. We pointed out to the court that in terms of Rule 61 of the election rules, these ballot papers have to be preserved by the State Election Commission in any case for a period of 60 days from the date of the declaration of results. Now the results were declared on the 13th of March, so easily he is protected during this period, no need to pass any interim order. The court records that fact and agrees with us, saying that there is no question of interim order. And now the matter has been fixed on the 4th of May for a reply by the other side, and probably on that day the matter may be argued.
Some issue of a jurisdiction was also raised?
Yes, we would like to raise the issue of jurisdiction. That's what we informed the court. So we'll wait till the 4th to see what that issue is.
But meanwhile, 4th May is fixed for filing reply and
No, if we file the reply, we'll have to give a copy in advance on this jurisdiction aspect, which we'll definitely do. So in all probabilities on the 4th of May, unless they seek time, the matter should be argued on the issue of jurisdiction.